Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Kat and this is my channel. Why did I say that? Channel? Like, what? Sorry. Okay, I'm just really excited and I don't even know. I feel like I've been waiting for this day to come for so long. So this morning I woke up bright and early and I went to the mall. And I went to the mall so that I could pick up these products. Oh my gosh. I can't even control myself. I got the Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star collection. I want to say I got the full collection when it comes to makeup. I didn't get any of like the bags or any of the clothing. I'm more of a makeup gal. I got the launch that came out today and oh my gosh, when I tell you that I waited in line for almost 3 hours. I mean, I know there's people out there that waited, they camped, they did all this stuff, but I was exhausted and it's here. I feel like I have been waiting for this for, oh, and I drop it. Plot twist, it breaks. So I feel like I've been waiting for this launch for so long and I'm sure a lot of people have also. It's something that has been talked about for months now, and if you guys have not seen the Shane Dawson and Jeffree videos on YouTube, then I don't know. I mean, I feel like you guys need to get with it. They created a bunch of merch and specifically makeup. And I'm just excited because I really love Jeffree Star and I really love Shane Dawson. And ever since Shane Dawson did the Secret World of Jeffree Star, I have just been in love even more with both of them. Ever since they said they were gonna come out with makeup, I've just been like patiently waiting. It's beautiful and I'm just so happy that they were able to do this and create something so beautiful. I'm really proud of both of them. And I'm also amazed about how much work goes into all of this. I'm really happy that they were able to, you know, document the whole process, the background. Not a lot of people are willing to do that and they did it. I have here the mini controversy palette. I'm gonna try to pull up some precios for you guys. So the mini controversy palette retails for $28 and then the conspiracy palette retails for $52. All of the glosses individually retail for $18 and then also the gloss is $18. I don't think it's any different at all from Jeffree's normal products that he comes out with. Price wise, I feel like it's pretty much the same thing, which is really awesome. Here is the mini controversy palette. I am gonna swatch these for you guys just so that you guys can check them out. It's so like weird seeing it in person because I mean for a long time I've been seeing it on TV and on my phone. Why am I getting emotional? Like what? I don't know, this is so weird. Here's the mini controversy palette and da 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 da. Oh my god. Here it is in its beautiful glory. Oh my gosh. Like everything is just here. The crying eye, the star, Shane Dawson, the tea. It's all here and it's mine. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Okay, here is the conspiracy palette. Honestly, Shane Dawson was the one who got me into conspiracy theories. I feel like before that I was kind of just like, I don't know, is there a flat? But ever since I've been watching him, I've just been like, oh, just love. Look at this. This packaging is beautiful. And truthfully, props to Shane and Andrew for being able to create this beautiful, beautiful packaging. So I'm gonna open it and it literally like, look at the detail that went into this. Like it's not like a regular palette where you kind of just like flap it open, you know, like this is secure. Like you can run with this and it's not going anywhere. My lights are probably like blinding this, but oh my gosh, this is like too good to be true. I am in shock. I am excited. Like everything is just so awesome. Look at the pigs. Oh my gosh, I want to throw up. I'm excited. Here is the gloss. Oh my gosh, this, I was really, really excited about this and it was, I think the first thing that sold out on Morphe.com. I was 100th person in line and I was scared. I was so scared. I kept seeing people like coming out with bags and bags and I was like, Oh my gosh, like if I don't get my hands on this. Okay, so here is the gloss, and look at this. It looks like the packaging for the concealers, and this is freaking awesome. And this is called Shane Glosson. Like, the amount of creativity and thought that went into the whole process of this is just so beautiful. Oh my gosh. It smells like root beer. This beautiful shade right here is called Orion. I'm gonna swatch them just right here, just so that you guys can see like a very nice little application. Sorry if I have some foundation left. Oh my gosh. Can you guys see that? That is like, oh my gosh. I Gotta Go is the next metallic shade, and here it is. Look at that. Are You Filming is this beautiful, beautiful, oh my gosh, why isn't this opening? Oh, you just gotta like give it a real crack. So this is Are You Filming? And this shade was made for Andrew. This is so, oh my god, dude. I have like a favorite liquid red lip, and I think that this just took over. Shane, this one I was iffy about just because I've never played with a shade like this, but I really need to just try things out, you know, and live life on the wild side. So here it is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm actually going to wear this. This is so pretty. And if you guys don't know, you guys can actually use these on your eyes. So you guys can like, these are eye safe. So if you guys don't want to put them on your lips, if you guys don't like the shade, just put it on your eyes. See how it looks. This one I was really excited about. It's called Oh My God. Oh my gosh, dude. Last shade is called Jeffree with the Flip. So when I was in high school, I used to always wear reds and pinks. And when I say pinks, I mean like pinks. It was like my thing. I loved it so much. And I don't know why, like lately, I kind of went through this thing where I was like, I don't have any nudes. And then now I'm like, nude, 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 nude. And I'm gonna go back to this. And no one's gonna stop me. So here are the lip swatches in full effect. So I'm gonna start swatching the Mini Controversy palette. So I'm gonna start off with this first row right here. And I'm gonna do Flat Earth, Cry on My Couch, My Boyfriend's Purse, Cry on My Couch, and My Boyfriend's Purse. So this one, when I swatched it, was a little chunky. So here they are right here. Flat Earth is such a freaking beautiful, beautiful shade. Like, this is so pretty. So I'm gonna do Controversy, Diet Root Beer, and My Apology. Controversy, Diet Root Beer, My Apology. Oh my apology is literally everything. Oh my gosh, excuse like my vein obviously like stop the swatching, but this is, oh, we have Exposed, Cancelled, and The Simulation. Exposed, Cancelled, The Simulation. So that is it for the Mini Controversy palette for now. Conspiracy palette. So the first row is beautiful. I feel like I can wear this all the time. It's just awesome. Like, I like that they made this very versatile. It's not just like all brights. I have been needing a palette like this, and I'm just like excited that I got my hands on this. So there is Ranch My Pills. Ooh, Tanacon is the shade I have been waiting for. Okay, Tanacon. And then Diet Root Beer is in both palettes, so I'm not gonna swatch that one. So there's Ranch My Pills, whew, Tanacon, Just a Theory, and Spiraling. So we have Just a Theory. Oh my gosh, Just a Theory, Spiraling. So this one is gonna have some fallout. You can already tell it's not even a bad thing. Here is the first row. It is so beautiful. Mine is Diet Root Beer, which would just fit into this family perfectly. So moving along, we have Conspiracy, Pigments. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this shade right here, beautiful. Food videos, Conspiracy, Pigments, food videos. Next we have Trisha, Cheese Dust, and Flaming Hot. And those of you who know me know I freaking love hot Cheetos, so bomb. Trisha, Cheese Dust, Flaming Hot. So here is that row right here. Last shade is What's the Tea, Diet Cola, and Not a Fact. What's the Tea, Diet Cola, and Not a Fact. Oh my gosh, that's pretty. And then we have Sleep Paralysis, which I do have those, so I can relate. Illuminati, my right here. I'm gonna have to start over because I don't know why my arm went this way. I don't know what's going on. Okay. Illuminati. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then my right is here. Oh, that's a pretty black. I did walk away a little disappointed, not at like the collection at all, just about the stuff that was inside of Morphe. I didn't like that you could only get the whole set online on jeffreecosmetics.com. You could only get it there. If I would have known that, I probably would have just purchased this online because I did want the whole thing. And I also didn't like that you have to purchase these individually. I really wanted the pig. I wanted it like for my freaking living room. It's like I have like pink vibes going on and I thought it would be so cute, but I really thought that they were gonna do that, and it really made me sad because I was so looking forward to keeping that box for the liquid lips, and then they also didn't have the lip balm. So there was like a couple things, and then I really wanted the double zip travel bag, and they also didn't have that. So that made me really sad. I was kind of like upset, and then the fact that they sold these individually, it does kind of make a difference. I mean, the whole set, if you buy it together in the pig box, it's $90. And if you buy them individually, they're $18. So you're paying literally $18 more if you're buying them individually, which kind of sucks because that's just an extra liquid lip, and I don't know. That really made me mad. That's just an honest opinion of mine. I am gonna go in with Tanacon. I am gonna put that all over my lid here. When I was at the mall today, there was this lady in front of me, and she was the nicest lady. As soon as I got there, she was talking to me, and we were talking about her granddaughter, and she was there for her grandchildren. Isn't that like the cutest thing? Yeah, she got up all early, went to the launch. She's one of those cool people that as soon as I got there, we were talking, and then she asked me like, oh, can I go to the restroom? I was like, yeah, sure. So then I was so excited because standing in line for so long, you know, like, you really don't know who you can trust. When she came back, I asked her too. I was like, I have to go. It was pretty nice having someone there, like, to chit chat. Sweetest lady ever. Her grandchildren better freaking love her for standing in line for that long. I don't even know how she did it. I'm gonna go in with Diet Root Beer next, which is this shade right here. It is in both palettes, but since I'm using this one as a mirror, I'm just gonna go ahead and pick it up from here. And we're just gonna deepen this crease. What did you guys dress up as for Halloween? I wanna know. I didn't do anything besides work yesterday. My little brother Dylan, he is 9. He ditched me this year. He wanted to go to his dad's house, and I was like, I was so bummed because I love looking at like kids in costumes, but I did do makeup yesterday. I did some really cool looks yesterday, and I just had so much fun. Yeah, it's already been 2 years that I haven't celebrated Halloween here. Last year I was in Mexico, and then this year I was working. I just went ahead and kept blending Tanacon and Root Beer. And then now I'm actually gonna take some tape. Okay. So I am gonna do one at a time, and I place this tape here. So I am gonna take Not a Fact, and I'm gonna smoke out my lash line with that. So I'm gonna take this brush and dip into Not a Fact. I'm just going to give myself a nice wing. Oh, it's such a pretty color. I am just gonna go ahead and continue to drag this in. Once I get here, I'm just gonna stamp it. So I did my wing already, and next I'm gonna go in with food videos. I'm gonna put it right in here. Oh, this shade is really pretty because you can definitely build this yellow. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's definitely buildable. So this is the eye look that I came up with, and honestly, it's very simple. I like the browns in this palette. It is with the lashes, and I'm freaking excited. I like this. I want to go in with either Rylan or Oh My God. I am gonna do Rylan. So this is Rylan on my lips. Truthfully, I really like it. It's very different. I don't own anything like this. I can tell already that I'm gonna get like a bunch of buildup here. Jeffree and Shane brought out this side of me that like I'm just excited to explore. I'm excited to play around with more ideas when it comes to this palette. If you're not into cool and gray tones, you probably won't be able to enjoy this palette so much. I love it. I love that it looks literally like this is like $1 million right here. Like it's not some cheapy little palette. I really hope that Shane comes out with more with Jeffree. I hope that they play around with more things. I hope that this isn't it. I really hope this is the beginning of so much more that's about to happen, because if this is the beginning, I can't even begin to imagine what the rest of it's gonna look like. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And while you guys are there, you guys can hit that notification bell. That way you guys can actually see when I'm uploading. And if you guys want to see when I post this look, I will be posting it on my Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. If you guys want to give me a follow, all of my handles are down below. Thank you guys so much. Bye.